Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Technics CD player to show you. The model number is SL-PG100. But before we get into it, did you know that CDs are actually 1.2 millimeters thick? If you think that's a lame fun fact, I'm running out of fun facts. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your analog audio output right here. And then synchro edit for connecting it to a CD recorder. And then you have your remote input for controlling it with a sound system. And this particular one was manufactured in August of 1991. So to connect it, you'll just match up the colors with your analog cable and then connect your power cord. And then once it's all connected, you can power it up and insert a CD. On the front panel, you have your power button right here, open, close, skip backwards, skip forward, stop, pause, play. Then over here you have your synchro edit functions for recording with another CD player. And that includes tape length, side A, B, disc link, and time fade. And then for controlling the CD functions, you have program play, you can select certain tracks, you have a clear button, recall, and time mode. And then you also have your search buttons, repeat and random. Then down here you have peak search and auto cue. And with the time mode button, you can switch how it displays the time. And with random, you can make it so that it'll randomly choose a track. And it does feature mash or multi-stage noise shaping. That's pretty much all there is for this Technics single disc CD player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.